In this video, I'll demonstrate how the Tecan eye control software can integrate with MyAssays Desktop for automatic analysis using the MyAssays Desktop Excel add-in. To demonstrate this, I'll first ensure Excel is open on my PC with the add-in installed. I'll navigate to the Tecan eye control software with my measurement script open. I've added a comment to this measurement script pointing to the MyAssays Desktop protocol I'd like to use to analyze this data. I'll select Start to begin a measurement. The measurement data is collected, and once complete, the MyAssays Desktop protocol opens, imports the measurement data, calculates results, opens the PDF report, and closes. This approach works well if you already have a MyAssays Desktop protocol ready to import your measurement data. Now let's configure the settings for this process. I've already created a MyAssays Desktop protocol specifically for this analysis. The protocol is named Tecan eye control, and by opening the MyAssays Desktop Explorer, you can see it on the Protocols tab here. Back in the Tecan eye control software, the only setting required to configure this automatic analysis is by adding a comment to the measurement script. By entering either the name of the protocol followed by the assay protocol file extension, or by entering MAD for MyAssays Desktop followed by the protocol name. Once measurements are complete, the specified protocol file will open and import the collected measurement data. Let's go ahead and press Start to collect measurements. And with the protocol name added to that comment field, the MyAssays Desktop protocol will automatically open and import the measurement data. From here, the protocol file is ready for additional user interaction, such as providing sample IDs, calculate results, and export a report. It's also possible to perform certain operations automatically and store these settings to the protocol so that each time the protocol is used to import measurement data, those operations will be performed automatically. To do this, I'll open File, Auto Commands, and select Enable Auto Commands. Here we can define operations we'd like to be performed. In this case, I'll select to calculate, export a PDF report, and I'll also select No Application Window to perform these operations without displaying the main MyAssays analysis window. I'll save changes to and close out of our protocol. Back in the Tecan eye control software, with the comment configured as before, let's press Start to simulate a measurement. Once measurements are completed, MyAssays opens, imports the data, calculates results, and exports the results to a PDF. In the next example, I'll show how to use this technique to create a new protocol for analysis. To begin, if we add a comment to the measurement script that does not correspond to an existing MyAssays Desktop protocol, for example, MAD factor, the new protocol wizard will open and prompt us to create a new protocol associated with the entered comment. I'll press Start and collect measurements. Once measurements are complete, the new protocol wizard opens, and first we'll select our endpoint measurement data. Here we can optionally select to import metadata. Metadata is data that is collected alongside each assay run, such as date and time. Next, we'll specify how our data is arranged, in this case a 12 by 8 96 well microplate. Now we'll select the sample types used in our assay. In this case, I'll use a simple layout made only of unknown samples. And here we can select how the samples are arranged on our plate. I'll select this layout with unknowns in duplicate. We can select from any of these pre-configured layouts, edit a layout, or select Create to create one from scratch. On the next step, we can see our measurement data with a plate overlay, and by viewing the Meta tab, we can see the metadata we've selected to import from the data file as well. On the final step of the new protocol wizard, we can optionally add a description of our assay. Note the name cannot be updated, as this protocol specifically correlates to the comment we entered in the eye control software. Pressing Finish launches the protocol. Here our measurement data has been imported and our results have been calculated, displaying a simple sample table. Now we can add our data calculations as needed. For this example, I'll add a factor transform. I'll open Properties, Transforms, select Add, Factor, and Create. Here I'll add a factor of 2.5 to multiply the raw results by a factor of 2.5. Let's also add auto commands to allow the calculations to be performed automatically and a report exported. I'll again open File, Auto Commands, and select Enable Auto Commands. I'll select to calculate, export an Excel report, and I'll also select No Application window to perform these operations without displaying the main MyAssays analysis window. I'll save the changes to the protocol file and exit. Back in the iControl software, I'll repeat the run, again with the comment MAD factor. Once our measurements are completed, MyAssays Desktop opens, imports the measurement data, calculates results, and exports an Excel report. Please note that for automatic saving of Tecan iControl data to an XLSX file, the Tecan iControl XL add-in is required. In Excel, you'll see I have this add-in installed. Selecting the MyAssays Desktop tab, you can see the settings associated with this add-on. With Save Measurements and Launch MAD Protocol checkboxes selected, the measurement data files will be saved for you and corresponding MyAssays Desktop protocol will be launched. Use the Open Measurements folder button to open the location of automatically saved iControl data files. To provide a good starting point for adding custom data analysis, we have a number of protocols prepared to import different types of Tecan measurement data files. These are available at the below link. To obtain the latest version of the Tecan iControl XL add-in, or if you have any questions about integration of MyAssays Desktop with Tecan iControl software, please email us at support@myassays.com.